Hello, I am Nathaniel and I use Collision Drumsticks 5A Reaches with the nylon tip. I find these very durable. I love the playing feel from them. Like, the amount of hours I've been spending in this, all the sweat that's been layering up, it's amazing. They're solid, durable, and however high you hit them, they don't break. Like, I've tried many other 5A sticks, none of them seem to work. These just hit that spot for me, and other than just having a great feel, they sound amazing with your cymbals. What more could you possibly want from a pair of sticks? Like, they're amazing.